Lag spikes ruining your game? Let's fix that with smart adapter tweaks. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Nothing kills the fun faster than lag, high ping, or delayed responses during gameplay. But here is a few smart tweaks to your network adapter. You can reduce ping, cut delay, and enjoy smoother online matches. In this guide, we will show you exactly how. Method 1. Close apps eating your bandwidth. Before you proceed tweaking network adapter settings, make sure to create a restore point before as a critical safety measure because it allows you to instantly undo changes that cause internet disconnection, driver failures, or system instability. Now let's check if background apps are secretly ruining your ping. Here is how. Click Windows Search and type Resource Monitor. Open it and go to the Network tab. Now look carefully. You will see Applications, Services, and Bandwidth Usage. If you see web browsers using bandwidth, game launchers updating, or Cloud Sync running random background apps, then right-click them and end process tree. Only close apps you recognize. Don't close system processes. When gaming, you want your bandwidth dedicated to one thing, that is your game. Method 2. Switch to LAN. If you are gaming on Wi-Fi, you are already at a disadvantage. Wi-Fi introduces higher latency, packet loss, jitter, and random spikes, all the things that ruin smooth gameplay. To fix this, plug in an Ethernet cable. A wired LAN connection is more stable, has lower ping, avoids signal interference, and delivers consistent performance. For competitive gaming, this step is non-negotiable. Method 3. Reduce buffer bloat. Buffer bloat causes high ping under load, lag spikes when someone streams, and delays during uploads. Even if your speed is high, buffer bloat can ruin gaming. To fix it, open an elevated command prompt window. To do so, search CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Run this optimization command. After running this command, restart your PC and restart modem or router. This helps reduce latency spikes during heavy usage. This will buffer bloat by preventing Windows from aggressively filling up network buffers. This limits the TCP receive window, which can lower latency and improve ping under load. However, it may significantly decrease maximum download speeds, especially on high-speed connection. Method 4. Enable fast UDP traffic. If you play shooters or real-time multiplayer games, this is important. Most games use UDP protocol. We are going to optimize how Windows handles it. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type this command regedit. Now navigate to this path: hkey_local_machine/system, then CurrentControlSet, then services, then AFD, then parameters. Once inside parameters, right-click empty space. Click New, then dword value. Name it as fast stained datagram threshold. Double-click it, then change the value to 64000. Click OK, close registry, and you are done. Method 5. Optimize your network adapter. Now we fine-tune your Ethernet adapter. Open adapter settings. To do so, open Run utility and type this in the Run command box. Press Enter. Now right-click your Ethernet. Click Properties. Inside Properties, uncheck everything except these: QoS Packet Scheduler, Internet Protocol version 4. Click Configure. Go to the Advanced tab Settings. If you have a good CPU, disable offloading features. Disable these: ARP offload, flow control, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, large send offload, TCP checksum offload, wake on magic packet, wake on pattern match. Click OK. Close everything. Once done, restart your PC and the router and modem. Once you finish making all the tweaks, you should experience lower average ping, more stable latency, reduced packet loss, fewer random spikes, and a smoother gameplay. Reducing ping and delay with smarter adapter tweaks is one of the most effective ways to take control of your gaming experience. These changes don't require expensive upgrades, just a bit of knowledge and careful adjustment. By fine-tuning your adapter, you will notice smoother gameplay, faster responses, and fewer frustrating lag spikes. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical gaming solutions, and share your own ping reduction tips in the comments. Your advice could be exactly what another gamer needs to finally enjoy lag-free matches. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.